No, it's too stupid and it's too boring. Let's just watch it. Okay. Let's turn this thing off. Hey, I was watching that. Where are you going?
You can't catch me. Yes, I can. Okay, we have to cut to...
Okay, we have to get some snacks.
Alright. Alright, so we got snacks. What do we do now? Drink! We gotta cut to the chase.
Let's go back to the house now.
Yay!
Where's the lock? There's a big portal. There is. Somewhere, there. You have to make this sound.
Okay. We're going outside.
Wow. Oh wait, look. It's the stone. On the plank. It's beautiful.
Not really.
What do you mean?
It doesn't look like one. You should go look.
We gotta cut to the chase.
We don't know what's going on, but when we do, we say you're poop.